Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into one of WhatsApp's latest privacy updates, the option to enable disappearing messages that automatically vanish after just 24 hours. If you're someone who values privacy or simply likes keeping your chats clutter-free, this is a feature you'll definitely want to turn on. Let's walk through how to set it up on the WhatsApp desktop app step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're using the most recent version, as this update may not appear in older releases. Once the app is open, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon, that's the settings button. Click on it to open your settings menu. Inside the settings window, look for the section labeled privacy. This is where you manage your chat privacy, last seen settings, and message timers. Click on privacy to continue. Now, scroll down until you find an option called default message timer. This setting determines how long messages stay visible before disappearing from new chats you start. Click on default message timer and you'll see several time duration options appear. Among those, you'll notice one labeled 24 hours. Select it. Once you do, every new conversation you start from that moment on will automatically have messages disappear after 24 hours. It's important to note that this setting only applies to new chats, not your existing ones, unless you manually enable disappearing messages inside those conversations. And that's it. You've successfully enabled disappearing messages for 24 hours on WhatsApp for PC. Now, your messages can fade away automatically, keeping your inbox neat and your privacy better protected. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to explore other privacy features within WhatsApp. They're designed to give you more control over how your conversations are stored and shared. Stay tuned for more quick updates like this, helping you stay ahead of each new feature as it rolls out.